How do we get him out?
Gloves on. I think, well, maybe it'd be better without the gloves, actually.
I don't know. Is he gonna bite you?
Maybe. It's okay, buddy. Man, those are really in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird.
I'm gonna clean his tail up real quick, so hold him.
Hey, buddy.
Man, he's really got in there.
Carl's upset about it.
We have some seed in. Oh, he seems all right.
There we go. Yeah, we
Okay.
got him. Nice. Good thing we were here.
Yeah.
Definitely a hazard for some of those smaller bird species. It's crazy.
Keep an eye out.
Yeah, keep an eye out.